Supernova. In this message, we are going to see how stars tell the message of Jesus Christ, even in the present day. Jesus Christ is known as the Star of Jacob. When he was born in Bethlehem, three wise men from the east saw a new star and came to know the King of Jews was born. Stars are used to find out the directions. The sailors use the stars to find out the directions even before the mariner compass was invented. Here I would like to mention some incidents of strange appearance of stars in the human history. In the year 1576, people in northern hemisphere saw a new star. Yes, they did not see it before. Day by day, its brightness increased. The Danish king, Second Frederick, was puzzled at this new star. He appointed the astronomer Tycho Brahe to observe the position of this star. The king allotted a lot of money and built an observatory for this project. The star became even brighter so that it could be even visible in the day sky. Modern scientists name this as supernova. They give some explanation. They say stars have a lifetime. Before the end of the star, if it is big, it releases lot of energy. So it appears so bright before its extinction. This is their explanation. It is interesting to know that when this bright star appeared, the Queen of England was the first Elizabeth. Her kingdom was very weak. She was an evangelical Christian. Her rule gave very much peace to the people. Before her reign, her half-sister Mary ruled England. Mary is known as Bloody Mary. This Bloody Mary killed hundreds of evangelical Christian priests by burning them. After her death, Elizabeth was crowned. She was a kind-hearted woman, but she was very weak in heart. Many influential people and leaders were against her. She was in danger. At this time, Philip II of Spain, who had been the husband of the previous Queen Mary, planned to attack England to capture it and eliminate Queen Elizabeth. The people of England were worried. At this time, the bright star appeared, that is, the supernova appeared. People, as well as the Queen of England, did not knew the meaning of this bright star. At this time, Philip sent a fleet of 130 ships called Spanish Armada to attack England. When they neared England's shore, the English Navy officers sent burning boats and old ships amidst the Spanish armada. To avoid the burning boats and ships, each ship of Spanish armada steered hard to avoid the burning vessels. There was much chaos, and the ships dashed each other. Some ships sank down, and some ships caught fire. The fleet was ultimately defeated. This is a turning point in the history of England and in the history of Protestant Church. That bright new star appeared in 1576, and the English won the Spanish Armada in 1588, within 2 years after the appearance of the bright star. Another new bright star, in other words, supernova, appeared in the year of 1604, in the period of the famous astronomer Kepler. It appeared in the very same year of the completion of the King James Bible by the scholars appointed by the king. It is reasonable to believe that God marked and give importance to the year in which the King James Version of the Bible was completed. So, the supernova appeared, that is, the Kepler supernova appeared in 1604. In the very same year, the King James Bible was completed. So, we may understand that these new brightest stars appeared in the years which are important turning points in the Christian history. I hope this message is useful for you, and may God bless you all. Praise the Lord.